I hope I look snatched. Like, my only wish in life is to look snatched. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I wish you all a very happy new year. I hope 2025 is a better year for you all, where we have a better grip on our lives, we understand what's going on, and life just does not pass us by, we actually live the life. Anyway, with that being said, speaking about new things, new year, new me, new room. Oh my god, I just moved out of my old house and into a new house, which, look at the lighting, it's beautiful. I filmed an entire moving vlog where I moved houses and everything. It's a 2-part vlog on my vlog channel. Make sure to check it out. I am much more regular on that channel lately because so much has been happening with life where I've not been able to sit down and film. I'm going to meet my friend today and I've been watching so many videos about Hailey Bieber makeup and I really want to give it a go. I want to have like a natural makeup today. I'm just wearing this dress from Lifestyle, these earrings from Alia Bhatt's subscription box called Style Cracker. I did a video on that. This is gifted. This is from Venice. I'm sorry, that sounds very show-offy. And this is just a fake Pandora bracelet. That's about it. So let's give it a go. I'm gonna open my makeup bag. There's a mirror here. Now the setup is so nice where I do not need to like worry how the makeup is. It's gonna be good and I'm gonna do more makeup videos. Anyway, I'm gonna start off with the Glossier Future Dew Oil Serum. I think you can find this online, but I'm not sure. Guys, this is the secret to all these Hailey Biebers of the world, how all of these celebrities, when they start their makeup videos on, say, Vogue or something, they just look so good. I'm gonna put some on my collarbones. Don't forget your neck. Like, look at that. Can you see the glow on my face? I hope you can, because this is what we're doing. I'm gonna try my best not to like go into different topics and stick to makeup. I am bringing back the Super Makeup Attitude 1 era and we're going back to basics. If you've been following me for a while, guess what? I'm back to contouring. I was off contouring for a long time and what I would do is directly put it, but then I wouldn't know and this area would just look dirty for some reason. So I'm gonna take some on the brush. This is a Sephora 56.5 brush. I was using this for my concealer lately. I've started to use brushes for concealer. Oh, this is actually so much better because I can control how much product I'm putting. So this technique is called underpainting, where you put your contour under foundation or concealer and that's gonna like make it look even more natural. That's what Hailey Bieber's makeup artist does. So I saw her videos. So there you go. The contour is blended. She said when you do this, you put the contour on top of that. I think today I did not do that, but hey, it's just a start. This is the Tarte Man Eater contour stick in Sundown. There was a similar one in Fenty Beauty, in Rare Beauty, but it was all expensive, so I just used this. I'll set this with Hoola bronzer, but first let me do my concealer. Now I usually use the Tarte Shape Tape and it's amazing. You just use a little bit and you get the coverage, but since I want like a natural makeup, I don't mind like my dark circles showing through. So this is actually my LA Girl concealer, which has been my ride or die since forever, and I'm going to use this because it's a brightening concealer and it's buildable. It's very thin, so it doesn't look too much. I'm going to use the Sephora No. 2 concealer brush. So I like to like take a little bit on the brush. I take a little bit and then tap the excess on the lid. I feel like so professional with this, so I'm just going to put it here. Not too much. Even for Hailey Bieber, she doesn't put a lot and then she just blends it. The key is not to move the concealer. Usually I would just do this like the James Charles of it all. If you want to conceal the inside of your eye, just keep pressing there. Do not move the concealer. By the way, if you've joined me now, hi, my name is Bhairavi. I've been a cabin crew for 12 years. So I've been doing makeup for a living every single day for the past 11-12 years. So I know a thing or two about makeup. My mom had makeup salon. She has done professional makeup training. She used to do makeup in fashion shows. So I've been surrounded by makeup ever since I was young. So yeah, I've had a lot of time to experiment with a lot of different kinds of makeup. So that's why I have this channel. I've been doing this YouTube thing since I was 14, 15. So yeah, we've been here for a while. People who've stayed with me, you're the real OG. So I've like concealed a little bit, but as you can see, the under eye is still poking through, like it's not 100%, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm not that confident about this, so I just want to conceal just a bit more. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm gonna conceal here in the center. Sephora brushes are really good quality and they're not that expensive. Now she did not powder straight away, which is very scary for me because I get lines. My powder is this Barbie and Vanilla & Co. It's a Korean powder, but basically it's a translucent powder. In India you can find this in Rimmel London. That's what I used to use. This looks too much on camera, but I promise in person it doesn't. I'm just going to take a little bit and just press it under my eyes because I know my eyes will crease and I do not want that to happen. Let's see, just let's trust the process. Also, usually I put the foundation here, but I'm not doing that today. This Hailey Bieber look better work out. Anyway, so you guys know the Charlotte Tilbury blush wand that I always use. The main thing is it's a highlighting blush. So what do? I have the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter, which I'm not using. It's a liquid highlighter. And I have the Sephora colorful blush in the color Charmed. It's like an orangey blush. So if you want a natural looking makeup, that's what you go for. So I want a mix of Hailey Bieber, but also Sabrina Carpenter. I love her glowy look. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't think I should put this directly. I'm gonna take it on my finger. Just gonna put a little bit on the top of my cheeks, like just a little bit. I'm gonna blend it because once we put the powder and the concealer, the highlighting serum is like dimmed down. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this at the top of my cheekbone. You see, like when you can feel that like hollow of your eye, right? I put it right there. Now the key part where you need to put it is here. Don't put it here. That'll make your nose look bigger and weird. Put it here. This is how it looked like. Wow, her skin is so radiant. You put it here, just a little bit, maybe on your chin, because when the light hits and your skin is nice, this is where it will shine. A little bit on the eyebrow bone. I'm gonna do a little bit in the inner corner of my eye as well. I'm gonna use the Sephora colorful blush, and I'm gonna use this brush which I got from Claire's. You remember Claire's? It was like a children's store in Pacific Mall, Delhi. I used to love going there. And then I'm gonna pat the excess product at the back of my thing so it doesn't just deposit here, and then this will in turn also set the highlighter that we just put. So for Hailey Bieber, she just does a little swipe. Look at me trying to be a makeup artist with my pinky out. I'm trying to get into liquid blush now. The Rare Beauty blush just scares me, to be honest. So maybe not liquid 100%, but maybe I want to get into cream blush. So if you've tried liquid or cream blush, let me know. Even if you've tried the Rare Beauty blush, let me know which color suits you if your skin tone is similar to me. And then lately I've started to do this. I'll put the remaining product on my nose and on my chin. So that kind of ties everything together. I don't know. Isn't that the look that's in? Now, one more thing which I'm gonna do, because I love doing eyeliner. I hate when my eyes just look circle. I like a little bit of wing, but that'll make my eyes look too extra, my makeup look too extra. So for that, I'm gonna use this LA Colors eyeshadow palette. I don't know what the color of the palette is, but it's like this beautiful pinkish color. I think I'm gonna use a mix of this brown. It's like a literal brown mud color, and this dark brown, and then I'm gonna do like a subtle wing, very subtle wing. Okay, so I'm gonna start it from here, there you go, and just extend. That's it, that's all I'm doing. That's it. I'm using the Sephora angled brush. This came in a packet, so I don't know which. It says liner brush. It's like mini brushes, and that's it. I'll just bring it a little bit, like the remaining product, to my lower lash line, and I'll try to blend it a little, like I'll try to smudge it here. Remember when I used to do so many Kylie Jenner makeup tutorials? Like I was obsessed with her to a different level. So if you want that, just go check it out. Either use a brown colored mascara, but make sure it's very pigmented, or do what I do. If I want an innocent, like natural look, I'll just put mascara on my top lash. That's my look. Then it doesn't look so intense. And I'll only focus on the outer lashes. Like I'm not putting it on the entire lash line. Look at that. It's just the out. So it looks like, wow, wispy lashes. Isn't it so funny? I'm being like, oh, that's it, that's all I'm doing. And I just did a full face of makeup, but I'm trying to make it look like I didn't. I'm going to use a Hoola bronzer from Benefit. You can find this. It's just a miniature with the same brush that I used for contour. Just take a little bit. I'm going to go over that contour. I hope I look snatched. Like my only wish in life is to look snatched. I feel like my imperfections, discoloration is still showing, so it'll look like I didn't do a lot of makeup. This is all in my head. You will be the one to tell me if this worked. So my mom would always tell me that, can you do something for your eyebrows? But I would never, because I would be so lazy. But trust me, eyebrows make a difference. Even if as Indians we have so much of eyebrow, the hair just go everywhere. So I'm going to use this Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. in chocolatey brows. Do the Hailey Bieber brow where I stand all the hair up. Isn't this weird? Last but not the least, I promise it's gonna end soon. So the lip liner I'm using is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in the color Warm Brown. I love this. This is my second one. I wish they had more product in it, or I just use it too much. I use the Hyphen Beauty, Kriti Sanan's brand, Peptide Lip Balm. I hate the taste. It's too sweet. This is the mango flavor, peach flavor, and it's okay, I guess. I don't know. I just don't like this flavor. She'll fill in the outside. So just do the outline, and then the top she will ever so lightly overline. So first the outside, okay, first outside, and now subtle overline, very subtle. Did you see that? Since this is a creamy lip liner, I can just do that. Now they do a contour action. I'm gonna use this MyIndianLyf lipstick in the color Pie Hunt. Now this is a very matte lipstick, so I don't know how I'll be able to work this, but let's try it. I'm trying this for the first time on camera with you guys, so let's give it a go. Okay, it's all orange, by the way. Even Dua Lipa, if you notice, has a lot of orangish makeup. So it looks like you're tanned, you just came out from the sun. And now I'm gonna use the, sorry, I'm looking in the mirror. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty lip gloss bomb in the color Fenty Glow. If you want a similar product but cheaper, I feel like the Maybelline vinyl lipsticks are very nice, which make it neutral. I really love this. I'm so biased towards this. Should I do this? Maybe I'll put the gloss bomb just in the middle. Okay, this adds to the gloss. It is a gloss bomb. Okay, well, here's the makeup look. This was my attempt at trying to do a Hailey Bieber makeup look, but I think this just ended up being a natural orangish makeup look. But does it look like I don't have makeup? Does it look like no makeup? Because that was the look I was going for. Should you subscribe, like this video, please comment any makeup issues, makeup problems that you're having. I could probably make videos fixing, trying to work with them, like your makeup product is expired, how to still use it, you bought a new makeup product, you don't know how to use it, or you have an event you have to go to, you saw this photo on Pinterest that you want to recreate, send it to me on Instagram. Let's get the makeup chat going, because I'm not James Charles of it all. I don't know that kind of makeup. I do everyday makeup, especially for Indian skin tone, and if you're traveling for different weather, especially how to do that makeup and survive in India. So let me know, and let's keep the conversation going, and I will see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye.